Hi, this is John with Front Construction Engineering, and today I'm going to be talking about what is a building recertification. So, a building recertification is a structural and electrical detailed visual inspection on a building. The building could be one story, multiple stories. There's a criteria that the cities have, and if your building falls within those criteria, you are mandated to have this recertification inspection. And this recertification inspection has a structural component and an electrical component. The structural component has a checklist of multiple items such as load-bearing walls, columns, beams, subfloors, floors, foundation, seawalls, additional structures, railings, parking garage spaces. There's about 20 different sections on the structural component, on the structural report that the report touches on. On the electrical side, there's also a series of about 19 different items, from the electrical service of the building that we need to check, to the branch circuits, breakers, panels, infrared testing, illumination, egress. There's a variety of items. All these items can be seen on the building department's website. They have usually links to these forms. If you want to take a closer look and dive into the actual specifics, you could find them in your local building department's website and dive into those so you can see an entire breakdown of a typical report. But essentially, it's a very detailed inspection on a structural level, electrical level of your building. And the motivation is not to bring your building up to code, but rather to ensure that it is safe for continued use. And that's the key word here. We're not trying to make buildings, or the program was not designed to take buildings to the current code. That would be, unrealistic. The idea is for the inspection to make sure that things are safe, that deteriorations are being taken care of, that deficiencies are noted and repaired, that areas that are showing structural or electrical weaknesses are strengthened. So that's one of the major misconceptions about this inspection, that they think that engineers are going to go on site and tear apart these buildings. No, the idea is to ensure that the structure is safe, so that there's no collapses or catastrophes or building parts falling off. And we've seen it in the past. You've seen it on the news. There's been many unfortunate events because of property neglect, and this inspection protocol was put into place, at least in Dade County, in the 1970s and in the early 2000s in Broward, and now in 2022 statewide. So that's the spirit of the inspection, is to make sure that things are safe for continued use, that you have a plan in place moving forward, and that the proper repairs are taking place by the right specialized contractors. Don't overthink it. It's important that you hire somebody who is knowledgeable and skilled and specialized at this specific task. We provide consulting on this type of information. If you want more details and more information, feel free to reach out. I'm John with Front Construction Engineer, here to help and here to answer any questions you may have. If you like this type of content, feel free to like, subscribe, share, comment. If you comment, I'll respond. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Thank you. I'm John with Front. Bye-bye.